All right, the drink we're about to make is called the Jumpin Black Jack. Go ahead and fill up a glass with ice and measure out. So you should taste a strong blackberry flavor in there with your whiskey. So maybe you're a whiskey drinker, you want to switch it up a little bit, give it a little bit more flavor, something fruity, add some blackberry brandy, and that's going to change it up. We'll go ahead and add a cherry to that, and that's all there is to it. The Jumpin Black Jack, bottoms up.